Create an awesome looking Instagram puzzle feed in just 2 minutes. Let's go! Click on create a design, custom size, 3240 by 3240 pixels, create new design. In the left toolbar choose templates and search for puzzle feed. Drag and drop the first one into your design. Under file, make sure that show rulers and guides is activated. We now have to split up this design in 9 equal blocks so that later on you know exactly where the borders are for these 9 sections. From the top, left click and drag a ruler down and put it to 1080. Repeat that process and put the second one to 2160. Now let us do the same thing vertically. You might need to zoom in to get the desired result. Left click and drag 1080. The second one needs to be at 2160. Done. You can now customize each of these 9 sections individually, and later on we will simply split this image into 9 sections. Everything on this design here is customizable. You can easily select these elements and change the color. You can drag and drop different photos into it to replace the photos in the design. You can change the text, and so on and so forth. Now, if you're happy with your design before downloading, if you're a Canva free user, make sure to remove this very element here because this is only for Canva Pro users. If you're a Canva Pro user, you don't need to bother. Then in the upper right corner of the screen, click on Share, then on Download, file type PNG, and then click on Download. Once downloaded, head over to pinetools.com/split-image. Under Input Image, choose File, upload the file, then choose both Grid, change quantity of blocks to 3 both vertically and horizontally, and then click on Split Image. Finally click on Download zip file. And that's it, now just go to Instagram and post your puzzle feed. Make sure to start here when uploading, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just upload in that order and you will have a perfect puzzle feed on Instagram. If you want to get this done in 1 minute instead, use the grid template that I prepared for you in the description of this video. And that's it guys. Please subscribe, share and like. See you next time. Bye.